Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, you are very welcome. So in today's video guys, I want to show you this delicious crunchy, in fact this buns recipe is gold. Just make sure you use it as much, okay? It's very nice, trust me. Okay, so I'm making this recipe with 5 cups of flour. I'm using standard measuring cups. I'm not using tin cup or any other cup. It's standard measuring cup. So before you do this, make sure you have your standard measuring cup. It's very affordable. I think 1,000 naira or less for the full set. It comes with the measuring spoons as well. Okay, so yeah, I have all of the ingredients in my description box, so please do well to check it out. So I'm just going to make the mix, then I'm going to show you what it looks like when you use this mix to make egg roll and buns. Like I said, this is a buns mix, but it's very good for egg roll as well. So let's go. Okay, so in my bowl I have the 5 cups of flour. I'm meant to use 1 whole cup of sugar, but I reduced it a bit because I really do not want it very sweet. I added some nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I just like cinnamon in my buns. So the star of this recipe is this coconut powder, Emma coconut powder. Like seriously, you want to use this. So this is a replacement for full cream powdered milk. This is a coconut chinchin, so of course we are using coconut milk, and Emma comes in handy. Like this milk is very fine. So I've added a full pack of that. I bought a pack for 800 naira. You can get it cheaper or more in your location, but yeah, I bought mine for 600 naira in a supermarket. So I've added all of that in my bowl, and all you want to do, I actually added a pinch of salt. I used the smallest spoon in my measuring spoon to add salt, and yeah, that's just to balance it up. And you want to give this a good mix. If you are mixing in a bowl, then you want to cover your container and shake properly. Make sure everything is well mixed. But I'm mixing in a bowl, so I'm using my whisk to whisk all of that in. Okay, so this is it. It's very simple, and yeah, everything is handy. Everything is what you should have in your kitchen. It's very simple. So I'm just doing the mixture, and I'm going to scoop out some of the one I will be needing for this mixture. Like I want to mix some of them so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm going to measure out 2.5 cups of the buns mixture, and I'm going to store the rest of them in a container or in a Ziploc bag. Just do well to store it well. Okay, so this can actually last for a month, 2 months. Okay, there's nothing that is going to get spoiled in there. This can last long. So for those of you that will ask me how long will it last, that is it. It will last for up to 3 months. So for the 2.5 cup I measured, I want to make it for you guys to see. For extra richness, like you know now, you have to make it rich, right? I'm going to be adding just the bit of margarine you see me add. This is not butter. Okay, this is margarine, your normal baking margarine. So this is just a spoon, and this is my 1 medium egg. I'm going to add a bit of water. So I'm starting with 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to add a bit of that in the egg, and I'm just going to whisk and add it to the mix. So I want you guys to enjoy watching, as from here this is self-explanatory. I will be back to talk to you guys. Okay guys, for the 2.5 cups of buns mix I scooped out, what you'll be needing is 1/2 cup of water. Okay, but because I'll be making egg roll, or I want to make egg roll out of this, I just made it a bit hard so it can hold. Okay, you can go ahead and make it lighter. The way you want to scoop it in your oil is just same way you scoop out your puff mixture in your oil, but yeah, this is way thicker because I want to make this buns mix out of it as well. So I'm just doing two buns, two of the egg roll out of this mixture, and yeah, we are going to fry and you will see what this looks like. So this is me telling you that this mixture can pass for buns mix and also for your egg roll. Of course, they are same thing, just the egg difference. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to do the second one and you will see the final result. Enjoy watching. So guys, this is the final result. We are done, and this is what our buns looks like. I'm going to cut through one of the egg rolls to show you how cooked through it is. Like, it's so good. See, even the appearance might not even make justice to this because the taste is superb. You just need to try this to feel how everything goes. Okay, it's so yummy, it's delicious. The coconut milk or powder in there is a burst of flavor. Everything came out perfect. I want to tell you, if you have lemon zest or orange zest, I used to like that thing. I love it in my buns. So you can go ahead and add it in your mixture. It will give it a very fine flavor. But yeah, if you are doing this with a coconut, you want to be very minimal with it because you don't want to overshadow your coconut taste. This is what the buns looks like. It's well cooked and delicious. It's so good. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying this. And yeah, this buns mix lasts more than 3 months, I must say. Have a blessed day, and yeah, give me a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.